Hey guys, so we all know that it's 90 degrees outside. It's the heat of the summer in July. So let's talk about dealing with the heat with our horses and sweat scald. So I have a 17-year-old mare. Her name is Wildfire, and she's been struggling with sweat scald, especially this year, but she's always kind of had to struggle with it and everything like that. And we just went to the vet today to get her coggins pulled, and so she's had a little bit of sweat scald. So I just wanted to ask the vet like her opinion about like how I've been treating it and how she's doing with it. And she said she was doing really well. She was the best horse with sweat scald that she has seen yet, and she said that everything that I was doing was really good and that I've been doing a good job. So I just wanted to share what I've been doing to keep her sweat scald away and make it go away faster with you guys, so in case that anybody else was dealing with the same problem with their horse, and then I can help with that. So if you don't know what sweat scald is basically where your horse sweats and the sweat just like sits on their body and it burns the hair off of their skin. But yeah, so especially during this 90-degree weather, she's been struggling with it a lot, so I've been having to really be on top of taking care of it. So with my horses don't have stalls. They're on pasture 24/7 with a lean-to to go in for shade and everything like that. So if you guys have stalls for your horses or anything, you may not have to hose them off as much, because if they're in a stall with a fan on, they're obviously not going to be exposed to the sun as much. So, but for my horses, I hose Wildfire off at least twice a day, especially when it's like 90 degrees outside. I'll usually check on them like 3 times a day, and I'll just hose her off as much as she needs. But at least 2 times a day is a good guideline for her. So that's just keeping your horse cool during the heat of the summer. For treating sweat scald, I use this shampoo. It is a really good shampoo. I really like it. The vet recommended it to me last year when she first was starting to have some sweat scald, and it has really helped. So along with hosing her off, I will also bathe her whole body basically in this shampoo like once a day, once every other day, something like that. Bathe her in conditioner after the shampoo, because you know shampoo, it soaks out oil out of your skin, so you do need some oil in your horse's skin, so make sure to go back and bathe them in some conditioner. But you do really want to make sure that you are using that shampoo at least like once every other day or something. It really just depends on how bad your horse has sweat scald. I don't have like necessarily a set day or set guideline for it. I usually just do it every other day or every day, or however often I can really do it. But I would not do it like more than once a day. But at the same time, I'm not a vet, so if your vet or anybody else tells you differently, then yeah. This has just been what has been working for my horse. So yeah, so that's how I've been really treating her sweat scald. And we went to the vet today again, and you know, to get her coggins pulled and everything, and I asked her what the vet thought about how I've been treating her sweat scald and how she's doing, and she said that her hair quality is really good. Like the hair that's growing back after sweat scald, like after it's like gone away and some hair's growing back after because of that shampoo, it's really soft and silky. It's really good quality and everything. She said the Wildfire's doing really good, and so and everything that I'm doing is working really well. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you and your horse were dealing with sweat scald, and because I know it's really annoying. So I just wanted to put that information out there and share that shampoo and everything with you guys. So yeah, I hope that helps, and have a great rest of your summer with your horses.